Google Pixel 6a How to Close Apps. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can close apps on the Google Pixel 6a, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this also works with any Google Pixel phones. It doesn't necessarily need to be the 6a. Let's say you open a certain application over here. Normally what you do is you just go to the back gesture like this to close it, or you minimize it like this. Now the thing is that these apps haven't been closed yet because they are still actually running in the background. So if you want to close them permanently, what you have to do is swipe up to the recents menu and hold like this, and you will see all this. Where if you scroll all the way to the left hand side, you'll find the option called clear all, and now you can tap the clear all option in order to actually close apps. And now you can see no active apps. Now sometimes what happens is that if an app is running, you can swipe down the control panel settings, and at the bottom also you'll find a pop-up that says one active app or two active apps, and you can close them accordingly. This way you can go ahead and then actually close apps on Google Pixel 6a. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.